Got another one today. It's the Masterlock Pro Series 6850. It's a good lock, even though it's made by Master. What is the AAG is the date code. There it is. AAG. Now if we look that up, we got AAG. January of 2006. That's when this lock was made. So, I know there's security pins in it. I can feel them. But where's all my picks? Oh jeez, I wasn't even ready, sorry. How am I going in this? Are we getting tension? I forget how I'm doing this one. If I have to do bottom, can I do top or the bottom? Let's try bottom and see what happens. Hopefully we can get somewhere. Okay, so a little bit of tension. Maybe a diamond. Just get in there. Okay. Feels like we're getting somewhere. Feels like a false set. Feels like it. I got my pick stuck. Yeah, feels like a false set. Counter rotation. Oh, there it is. Can't be open already, can we? The Masterlock with more security pins. Alright. Get some stuff here. I'm gonna bring the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. Sorry, that's terrible. Okay, so you know that's still the lock we got. Take that out of the way. Alright, what do we need? Damn it, we need one of those fancy Allen wrenches. Oh. Maybe not if I can just use this screwdriver. No. I have to go get my Allen keys. Sorry about that. Definitely was not prepared for this video. Alright. Naturally, wrong size. Always go for the wrong size first, don't you know? There we go. This stuff come out. Okay, so we don't need this stuff anymore. Alright, we're still picked. We got a C-clip. I know it wants to come off of there. Yeah, this is one evil freaking C-clip. There it goes. Jesus. What evil technology. Okay. Let's see. La-di-da. Oop, I dropped one already. God damn it. Okay, so that was on the 5th position. Okay, let's try not to drop anymore. Oh, we're gonna drop them all naturally. Okay, so let's just go backwards. So we got a somewhat serrated. It's hard to tell if it's really serrated. It's slightly serrated. Sorry about my hand in the way. This was a dirty job. Of course I got that one stuck in there. We're all stuck in the frickin' thing. Okay. So this is probably the worst gutting I've ever done. There's another spool that came out of 3. It doesn't really matter. There's a spool in. Well, that came out of 1. And this came out of 2. Now we got something in 3 that just. That's another spool. Okay, so I screwed that up too. There we go. That's all the uppers. Let's look at the key pins. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. So we got all standard key pins. We got 4 spools and this. Let's see if I can get this to focus in. It's somewhat serrated pen. It's not quite serrated, but it's slightly serrated. Let's just say that. It's slightly serrated. So there's that. The core. So that was the Master 6850 Pro Series, made in AAG, which was January of 06, I think. Yeah, Masterlock code January A. Year A0 and G6. Yep. January 2006. So there's that. Masterlock with security pins, believe it or not. I guess sometime after 2006 is when they started taking all of them out of there. But if you happen to get a nice Masterlock like this, put security pins in it, or unless it's an old one, then I guess you kind of don't have to. Even though I got into it pretty quickly, which I don't think I showed you the bitting. It's under the freaking camera, of course. Here's the bitting. Hold on, let me fix that real quick. This is the bitting. So, not too challenging, but something. There you go. And this is the 6000 keyway, 6000B keyway. Oh. There you go, 6000B. It's a little slightly different than the M1. It's slightly different than the 9000 series, or the like the 930 key. It's a little bit different than that. So there you go, Master 6850, single pin pick and gutted. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be legal.